I have before me 3 Legion 5 Pros. I will be unboxing one of them and giving away all 3 of them as soon as we reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Now, I've been waiting for a Legion 5 Pro for quite a while, and I reached out to Lenovo to see if they wanted to be a part of the giveaway. I recommended that they send over some Legion 5s. I thought, man, the Legion 5 is a fantastic laptop. It's got so much great performance, so much power. Man, that would be great. My viewers would absolutely love that. Yeah, guess what shows up at my door? 3 Legion 5 Pros. So you guys, Lenovo, thank you. And community, you need to give them a big shout out, because not only do we have 3 computers to give away, but we got Legion 5 Pros to give away. It's absolutely insane. I've yet to review the Legion 5 Pro this year. This is the Ryzen 7 6800H version with the RTX 3060, 16 gigs of RAM, and I'm pretty sure 1 terabyte SSD? Yep, you get a 1 terabyte SSD. So this is like the premium creator laptop. So let's go ahead and quickly check out the charger block that it comes with this year. It's probably gonna be that 300 watt charger block. Oh yeah, it's the Mac Daddy charger block, let me tell you. So you get that big old 300 watt charger block. All the power you need is gonna be pulled from the wall into your computer for that charger block. I'm gonna make sure I don't mess up this box too much, since somebody's gonna be getting this computer. Can I get an amen? So Lenovo sent over these 3 Lenovo Legion 5 Pros, and as soon as we hit 100,000 subscribers, we're gonna kick off a giveaway to celebrate passing the 100,000 subscriber mark. The faster we get there, the sooner the giveaway is coming your way. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video, and drop a comment of how you would use a Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Can't wait to reach 100,000 subscribers with you guys. First and foremost, let's check out the build quality. We already looked at the Legion 5i Pro, but I'm just gonna do a full unboxing of this one and check it out. Again, very nice edges. The bottom cover fit into the side panel just perfectly. I mean, this is one, I'm so stoked I get to give away these laptops, because this, I think, is one of the most powerful and best bang for buck creator laptops that you can get on the market right now. I mean, they're built well, they have incredible power, they've got a large 16-inch screen. It's just a great package and tons of connectivity. Okay, so let's just try and do a normal unboxing, since I'm pretty excited about the giveaway. All right, so really nicely fit, bottom cover into the side panels. We're gonna do a quick tap test while we're on the outside of the chassis. Very nice assembly and build materials used for this laptop. An aluminum chassis. You can see the weight and thickness coming up on the screen. It's not the thinnest laptop on the market, but for the performance that's packed into this package, it is fairly thin and light. It's not like saying, you know, the Lenovo Legion Slim 7, but it's actually fairly close. You know what? I have one of those. So let's go take a look at the quick difference. So as you can see here, if you're going for thin and light, the Legion Slim 7 really gets that thin and lightness going on, but it's really not that much thinner, but it is a little bit. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner. So that's the Slim 7. I'll put links in the description below. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway, if you're like, you know what, I really just want to make a purchase now. I've been really needing a laptop, so I'm just going to snag one, maybe let somebody else get the giveaway. You can do that. I'll put links in the description below, and you can check that out. All right, let's go ahead and look at the ports before we open this thing up. Along the back panel, we have our network port, USB Type-C, HDMI, 2 USB Type-A's, and your power adapter. Plenty of connectivity there. And on the left side panel, we have a USB Type-A, a headphone jack, as well as a manual cutoff switch for the webcam. And then on the left side panel, we have 2 USB Type-C. So we have a total of 3 USB Type-Cs, 3 USB Type-A's, an HDMI, and a network port. I mean, this thing has fantastic connectivity. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can open and close the lid with one hand. No problems there. Very easily open and close the lid. And even regarding the screen flex, that's another highlight on this laptop. Very little screen flex with that nice, sturdy aluminum top cover. Now, in the past, I haven't really liked the ledge. I kind of complained about that. But as you open up the laptop, the ledge actually provides a little support for the middle screen flex. So even if you push down on here, it's going to stop it with the ledge. So you don't have to worry about maybe like bumping the screen with something. Maybe, you know, drop, I don't know, maybe like you drop a shoe or a bowling ball. Well, bowling ball would be really bad. But like say you drop something there and you'd hit that and keep you from pushing through the screen and possibly, you know, breaking it. So that's a really nice little feature there with the ledge. All right, as we're getting the computer fired up, you have an RGB backlit keyboard, looks really nice. I don't recommend leaving that on if you're trying to get battery life. Make sure you turn off the RGB keyboard if you're trying to get really good battery life, though it looks great when you're plugged into the charger. Now, we have a medium key press on these keys. They're a little bit longer than, say, the Legion 7 Slim. So if you like more of a medium key press, it feels very nice under my fingers. You have a numpad on the right side, full-size shift key. We're a little bit shifted over to the left here. So the trackpad is centered on the keyboard. And we have a medium-sized trackpad. This has been one of my complaints with the Legion 5 Pro, is the trackpad could be bigger. You can see we have some room around the trackpad here to make it larger. Not going to be a killjoy for me because the performance, the build quality, the webcam, all the features on this laptop are top notch. So I'm really not going to be too upset that the trackpad's a little bit smaller than I would prefer. But I would like to have it bigger if, in the future iterations they want to do that. So if Lenovo, you want to make it bigger, I wouldn't complain whatsoever. All right, looking at the webcam here, we're going to turn off that switch and give you a quick sample of the webcam. This is the webcam on the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro and a little sample of the audio for you as well. This was one of the best performing laptops last year, so I can't wait to benchmark it here as soon as we finish the unboxing. I'm going to jump in and start benchmarking it. All right, now let's go ahead, get this thing shut down, flip it over, and check out the upgrade path of the Legion 5 Pro. As I pull the bottom cover off of the laptop, you'll see that you have two M.2 drive slots available. One is occupied, one is unoccupied, and you can switch out your Wi-Fi card as well. Plus, you have access to the two RAM sticks. And this comes equipped with 16 gigs of RAM. And then of course you have the 80 watt hour battery. So this is tons of upgrade opportunity. You can obviously add an SSD or you can swap both of them to get even more storage. And of course you can upgrade this to like 64 gigs of RAM if you want. So this thing will have plenty of performance and power for years to come if you choose to make the upgrade. And this is DDR5 RAM, and this does come with DDR5 RAM. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video. I'm so stoked to reach 100,000 subscribers so I can give away all three of these Lenovo Legion 5 Pros. Again, if you're ready to make a purchase and you don't want to wait for the giveaway, totally understand. Links are in the description below, and I'll see you guys here in the future videos.